The first step is to simply go to Vercel, and then we're gonna have to simply select our project. So I'm gonna use this one for this tutorial. Then what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on domains here in the top right corner, and here we're gonna have to simply enter our Hostinger domain. So we're gonna have to go back to Hostinger, and if you want to buy a domain, you can use my link and you're gonna get a huge discount. So as you can see, we have here our domain. So we're gonna have to copy this and then go back to Vercel and paste the domain name here and then click on add. Then we're gonna have to select the first one and click on add. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down here. Now what I recommend you to do is simply go to name servers, and then we're gonna have to simply click on enable Vercel DNS. And now what we're gonna have to do is simply paste these two DNS into Hostinger. So in order to do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply go back to Hostinger and click on domain portfolio on the left side, and then click on our domain. Now from here, we're gonna have to click on DNS name servers, and then simply click on change name servers. So we're gonna have to simply click on change name servers and simply copy and paste these two name servers here. So let's copy these and then let's simply paste them and click on save. Now we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and then we're gonna be able to go back to Vercel, and that's all we have to do. So as you can see, it might take up to 24 hours for domain to work, but basically that's all we have to do. Now if we go here back, we should be able to see that we have here the name servers and everything. Now if you want, you can also add this a record, even though I don't recommend you to do that. So if you want to add this, you can simply go back, and then we're gonna have to go back to name servers here. So let's go back from here, and then we can simply go back, and then basically here we're gonna be able to add it. So we're gonna have to scroll down, and as you can see, you're gonna have the option to add this a record, but as I said earlier, I don't recommend you to do that. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.